Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is solving for the commission and the sales tax using percentage. Okay? So, yung formula natin, so, commission, that is total sales times commission rate. Okay? Tapos, yung commission rate is equal to commission over sales price or total sales times 100%. Tapos, yung sales tax, that is amount of product times rate of sales tax. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 1. So, if your friend asks for help to sell their motorcycle and promise you to have a 5% commission, if you're able to look for a buyer, how much will you receive if you have sold the motorcycle for 30,000 pesos? Okay, again, yung formula natin dito is commission, that is equals total sales times commission rate. Okay, so commission equals yung total sales na sold siya ng 30,000. Okay? 30,000 pesos times yung commission rate na 5%. Okay? Then commission is equal to 30,000. Change natin to si 5% into decimal form. So this is 0.05. Then i-multiply natin yan. So yung 30,000, pwede natin alisin yung apat na 0. Si 30,000, di ba? Alisin natin yan. Then i-multiply natin yan sa 0.05. So 3. Idagdag natin yung apat na 4 mamaya. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 0 is 0. Plus 1 is 1. Dagdag natin yung apat na 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, tapos yung decimal natin is dalawang place. 1, 2. So, therefore, yung commission, that is equal to 1.5. So, meron siyang commission na 1.5. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 2. Mrs. Santos yan. Work hard to earn 12% commission from selling furniture. Find her. Noon sa mani. Okay, her commission of her total sales for the month of September is 45,000. Okay? So, again, yung formula natin, commission equals total sales times commission rate. So, commission, that is equal to total sales na 45,000. Okay? Pesos. Times commission rate na 12%. Okay? So, 45,000. Multiply natin yan kay 0.12. Okay? Kasi change natin si percent into decimal. So, commission, that is equal to, so, again, meron tayong si 45,000, merong tatlong 0, di ba? So, cancel natin yan. Okay? Alisin natin yan, tapos ibalik natin yan mamaya. So, 0.12. Multiply natin kay 0.12. So, 2 times 5, that is 10. That is 8 plus 1, 9. 5, 4. 0, 14, 5, 40. Okay, tapos yung tatlong 0, dagdag natin dyan. Okay, tapos yung decimal, di ba, yung decimal merong dalawang place yan. So, 1, 2. So, therefore, yung commission niya ay 5,400. Okay. So, again, proceed tayo sa number 3 example. So, what is the commission rate of Mr. Isguera if he received 8,995 from selling an appliance that costs 29,999. Okay, so ang formula natin dito, that is commission rate, that is equal to commission over total sales times 100%. Okay, so commission rate. So yung commission niya ay naka-receive siya ng 8,995. Okay, divided by total sales na 29,999 times 100%. So, yung commission rate, so kapag i-divide natin ito, si 8,995 divided by 29,999, that is equal to 0.2998. Paki-check na lang ha. Tapos times 100%. So, commission rate, that is equal to, multiply natin yan, or i-move na lang natin yan 2 places sa right. Kasi may 100% yan. So, magiging 29.98%. Okay. So, number 4. A group of teachers decided to eat in a restaurant. The meal costs 4,550 plus 12% VAT. How much is the total amount they paid in the cashier? Okay, so yung solution natin dito in this problem, it is important to compute the sales tax. Okay? Okay, tapos kunin natin ang formula ng sales tax is total amount of product times rate of sales tax. So, sales tax equals total amount of product, that is 4550. Okay, tapos times rate of sales tax is 12%. Dito ko na lang 0.12 ha, para i-multiply natin. So, alisin natin yung isang 0 dyan. Therefore, 4,550, alisin natin yan, multiply natin kay 0.12. Idagdag na lang natin yan mamaya. So, that is 10, 11, 8, 9, 5, 5, 4, 0, 6, 14, 5. Tapos, idagdag natin yung isang 0. Okay, so ang decimal natin, meron tayong dalawang place dyan. So, 1, 2. So, therefore, yung sales tax, that is equal to 546 pesos. Pesos yan. Okay, ngayon, ang total amount paid in the cashier, yung total na nabayaran nila. Okay, so yung total amount paid. Ganyan na lang ha. So, equals total amount, dito ko na lang, total amount is 4,550 plus sales tax. Yung sales tax na kinumpute natin kanina is 546. So, i-add natin yan, 4,550 plus 546. 6, 9, 10, 5. So, yung total na nabayaran nila sa cashier ay 5,096 pesos. Okay? So, last example, number 5. John is checking out toys for his kids on an online selling platform. He is asked to pay 2,350 plus sales tax of 8%. How much will he pay to check out the item? Okay, again, yung solution natin, sales tax equals total amount of product times rate of sales tax. So, sales tax, compute muna natin yung sales tax. Total amount of product na, yan, 2,350 150. Tapos, sales tax na 8% times 8%. So, 2,350 times 0.08. Okay? Yun ang sales tax. So, multiply natin yan. 235. Alisin natin si 0, ha? Tapos, 0.08. So, 40. 24, 28, 16, 18. Add tayo ng isang 0. Okay, tapos meron pa isang 0 dyan, di ba? Huwag natin isali yan. So, move tayo ng dalawang place. 1, 2. So, yung sales tax niya is 188 pesos. Okay, ngayon, i-total na, ano yung total amount paid? Yung paglabas na nila. So, yung total amount paid. Okay, is total amount product. Ito, total amount of product na 2,350 plus sales tax. Sales tax na 188. So, i-add natin yan. 2,350 plus 188. So, 8, 13, 5, 2. Okay, so yung total amount paid is equal to 2,538. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.